Bonjour les amis. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? How to tell time in French. Voici une horloge. Clock, horloge. Sur l'horloge, il y a 12 nombres. Compte avec moi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Les parties de l'horloge. The parts of a clock. Sur l'horloge, il y a deux bras. Two arms. Un bras est long et l'autre bras est plus court. Le bras long, aiguille des minutes, indique les minutes. Le bras court, aiguille des heures, indique l'heure. So in English, we call this the minute hand, and we call this the hour hand. Du matin. AM, morning time. Du matin. S'il est le matin, tu dis l'heure du matin. Par exemple, il est 10 heures du matin. It is 10 o'clock. 10 heures du matin. L'après-midi. PM, de l'après-midi. S'il est l'après-midi, tu dis il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. So for the afternoon, l'après-midi. Le soir. The evening. Du soir. S'il est le soir, tu dis il est 5 heures du soir. 5 o'clock in the evening. 5 heures du soir. La demi-heure. The half hour. La demi-heure ou 30. 30. So there are two ways that you can express it. The half hour. La demi-heure. Il est 6h30. 6:30 p.m. or a.m. Il est 6h30. Le quart, 15 minutes. Quarter hour et quart, 15 minutes. So in our example here, we're talking about the quarter hour. Quarter of the hour would be 15 minutes, 15 minutes. 2h15. 2:15. You could also say 2h15, 2:15 p.m. or quarter past the hour. Le quart, 45 minutes. Quarter to the hour. We say moins quart, 45 minutes. So, an example here, this one is il est 3h moins quart. So what we're saying is it's 15 minutes less to the actual hour of 3 o'clock. So in English, it's 2:45. French, c'est moins quart. 3h moins quart. So it's like you're subtracting 15 minutes. Or you could say 2:45 or 2h45. Le quart, 45 minutes. Les minutes. So speaking of les minutes, as expressed before, these are the hours. Les heures. But entre les heures, between the hours, there are minutes. And there are exactly 5 minutes. Compte avec moi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we're looking at this clock, we see that for each hour, in between, there are 5 minutes. Compte avec moi par 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And when the arms or the hands make a rotation, it completes an hour, which is 60 minutes, 60 minutes. So in this example here, il est 3 heures moins quart. So it's 2:45 or 2:45. You see how we're on the 9, on the 9 here? That represents 45 minutes, 45. See? Le midi, 12 noon. So to express that it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon, you say, il est midi. And to express that it's midnight, we call it le minuit, midnight. Both hands are on the 12, but this indicates that it's the beginning of a new day. Le début du prochain jour, the beginning of the next day. Et voilà notre horloge. Compte avec moi les heures. Let's count the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Compte avec moi par 5. Let's count the minutes par 5. We start here because, just like I told you, there are 5 minutes in between each hour number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.